Hello friends, Running Kimono here. So this is your Walgreens preview for the week of January the 12th to the 18th. In this ad, we have two freebies if you can track them down, and they are quite simple and quite awesome. So on Wednesday, a lot of us received these boosters. The first is a 3-back when you buy two dental care products, and that is online only. And then the other one on the right hand side is a 10-back when you spend 50. That can either be done curbside or in store. Make sure you load both of them. Christmas, Christmas, Christmas. There is still a lot of Christmas stuff at Walgreens. It went 80 and it will not go past 80%. And it, according to the signs, it's supposed to be like that till the 24th, and then they're probably going to box it up. But if you still have the desire to go Christmas shopping or look for Christmas clearance, Walgreens up to 80% off for their merchandise until the 24th. In case you missed it yesterday, many Walgreens have a lot of their orange sticker shampoos that have been in the regular section for months and months, up to 90% off. There's this one brand called Camille Rose, also 90% off. IBOTTA has rebates that are exceptionally high on these products, making them freebies, and the limit for most of these are up to 2 times. If you can track them down, that's a very easy freebie. Be on the lookout. Please treat this video as a preview. The full ad, along with all of the digital coupons, will be published on Sunday the 12th. This video is simply a preview for you guys of the best deals. The first one we're going to look at is everybody's favorite to grab 4 of the P&G laundry care. You have to get a mix and match, and typically we have about $4 in digital coupons. The pricing for these items is $5.49 per item. Grabbing 4 of them, it's going to be $21.96. Subtracting $5 in digitals, you'll pay $16.96 out of pocket. Get back a $5 register reward, making it $11.96 for the 4 or $2.99 per product. And if you're doing this deal with no booster, yes, you can use up to $10 in Walgreens cash to pay down the balance. $2.99 is a really good price, especially for Tide. The next super-duper deal is the $4 Colgate dental care products, $2.50 off online coupon. I'm assuming that's for both a brush and a paste, so we're going to have to triple check that on Sunday morning. Grabbing 2 $4 products, that's 8. So you're probably going to have to grab 1 toothpaste and 1 brush. Subtracting 2 $2.50 off coupons, that's $5 melting off. You're going to pay $3. Get back a $3 register reward, making it a free transaction. If you're doing this deal with no booster, yes, you can use Walgreens cash. Spend it to earn that register reward. But what a little deal this is, and this is possibly a freebie. We're going to have to triple check if we get $2.50 off of both of those items to make this deal happen. The Scott is going to be BOGO 50% off for the toilet paper and paper towel with dollar digital coupons. Manufacturers grabbing 1 of each, that would be $7.50. If we're given $1 off of each, that's $2 melting off, making it $5.50 for the 2 or $2.75 per paper product. And it is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing this deal with no booster. I recommend to stock up on paper products right now when they are cheap. And I just think it's a really smart move, even if you don't like Scott, just to have it in your stockpile. It's a very smart deal. Also, there is this Charmin deal, but after everything is reconciled and done, it's $8.99 per pack, which I think is just a little bit too rich. Thus, the Scott deal is a little bit better. If you're just using paper towel, it doesn't matter if it's Bounty, Charmin. I think it's better with the Scott. $8.99 is a bit too rich. Now the Irish Spring and Soft Soap at $5.99. We're going to have probably $2 digitals off of both. $2 reward, register reward when you buy 2. So grabbing a mix and match, so 1 bar soap and then 1 liquid, that would be $11.98. So 1 soft soap, 1 Irish Spring. Subtracting the $4 in digitals, and we're going to have to see if we get both of them on Sunday morning. You would pay $7.98, get back a $2 register reward, making it $5.98 for the 2 or $2.99 per unit. And it is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster. Now the Tampax and Always BOGO 50% off with a 3 off 2 digital. I believe there's either a $2 or or a $5 store coupon printing when you purchase 2 of these units. So we're going to have to double, triple check what's posted on Sunday morning. Grabbing 2 boxes of the tampons on a BOGO, 50% off, that's $10.48. Subtracting your digital coupon, you'd pay $7.48 out of pocket. It's either a $2 or a $5 register reward you'll get back, and it's a store coupon. And it is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing this deal with no booster. We don't really get a lot of deals for feminine care, so this might be one to stock up on if you need some. We also have this deal, and hopefully the body wash is working. $7, $2 reward when you buy 2 with a 6 off a 2 digital coupon. That digital coupon was not attaching last Sunday, just to note that. But grabbing 2 of those body washes at $7 a pop, that's $14. Subtracting your digital coupon, you'll pay $8. Get back a $2 register reward, making it $6 for the 2 or $3 per Dove body wash. And it is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing this deal with no booster. The Arm & Hammer is 4 for $10 or $5 each. Definitely get the 4 for $10. And we have a 2 off of 4 digital coupon. A very straightforward deal. You'll grab 4 of those laundry care products by Arm & Hammer for $10. Load that digital coupon. You're paying $8 for the 4 or $2 per laundry care product. And it is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing this deal with no booster. Talk about some quick honorable mentions, guys. The first one goes to the Pawns to spend $20 to get back a $5 in-store reward. We're going to have to look at that one a little bit more carefully. But I do like the Pawns line, especially some of the lotions with this dry season that's around. We'll have to investigate that one. A buy one, get 2 for free on the Complete Home trash bags. This is for either the small or the medium. The larges are not included, but it's usually like $4.99 for the first, and then 2 will be for free. So it makes it very affordable to get these trash bags. We have the Kellogg cereal at $1.99. I would recommend that you check your IBOTTA if there might be a rebate back. And if you look at the bottom, the frosted mini wheats are in fact included. So that's a really good stock up price. The boxes are usually like $6.49 for 1 at the pharmacies. And if you like Pepsi, it's a buy 2, get 2 for free. As we're getting closer to the Super Bowl, both pop, any sort of chips, and pizza at Walgreens specifically will be heavily discounted, and we're going to see more deals like this one. This larger bag of Blue Diamond natural whole almonds for $6.99. They're trying to sneak a little healthy thing in there. So if you like almonds, this isn't a bad stock up price. And then we also have this Chips Ahoy deal for 2 for $6. I know Ibotta had one for the hot chocolate flavored ones if your store might have any left. I think that was just like Walmart and larger like Kroger, Myers that had the hot chocolate flavored ones, but possibly $1.50 back for each bag. And then my favorite, the 3 for $9 on the Dawn dish soap. I know a lot of people don't like the new clean scent, but Apple is also usually included, so it makes it $3 a unit. If you have some Walgreens cash or register rewards you want to use, a very smart deal to do. That's it for this video, guys. We'll catch you in the next one. Bye.